Hello guys, my name is John Magari. In this video I will show you how to use a camera timer on Samsung phone. Click like in this video, subscribe in my channel. Let's start. Search standard camera you phone. Search. So click standard camera. Yes, it's standard camera Samsung phone. See, look. Timer, click timer. Timer off, timer 2, and timer, click timer 5, timer 10. Click timer 5. So click camera 5, 3, 2, 1, boom. It's timer. Work very good work. Timer. Go to open camera. Search open camera, click open camera. It's open camera. Download in Play Market. Click three dots. It's timer 5s. Click timer 3s. Click 2s, 1s, Acer 10s, 15s. Click back, timer 5s. So click camera 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. It's very well. Guys and girls, click like in this video and subscribe in my channel. Thank you.